Ladnu, this little town in Rajasthan, is known for a larger reason. Jain Vishwa Bharati, also known as JVBI, Global Gurukul. Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute is the result of far-sighted approach of Acharya Tulsi and Acharya Mahapragya. In the year 1991, Government of India notified Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute as deemed university. Jain Vishwa Bharati is a complete bouquet of education, and it perfectly blends modernity with cultural values. These days, JVBI is under the leadership of present Anushasan Acharya Mahashraman, who has taken JVBI to new altitudes. Right conduct is the essence of right knowledge, which has resulted phenomenally, and students at JVBI are excelling in their fields along with the basic ethics of life.
Indian culture stands for tolerance, coexistence, respect, humanity, moral values and ethics. So he wanted to promote such concepts which are missing in this modern education system. And the higher education which are producing a lot of technocrats people, but what about the qualitative, holistic development of the human being? So that was his prime area and that was his main focus. So he established this institution because the main motto of this institution is Nanassa Sara Mayaro. That means right conduct is the essence of the right knowledge.
The campus of Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute gives you feeling like heaven. Nest of hundreds of peacocks, dense trees, spacious roads, well-architected buildings reminds you the picture of Gurukul.
Spirituality cannot stand without science, and science cannot function properly without spirituality. So I think this institution is a role model in blending science and spirituality, because here we have courses with spirituality and also we are blending with the modern education system with all the technical devices, teaching and projecting through projectors, laptops, computers, and we have high professionals who can use all these tools in order to teach this common locality to bring up as a good professional, a good entrepreneur and also a good being to serve the society.
एक स्टूडेंट के लिए इस कैंपस से ज़्यादा अच्छा मेरे को नहीं लगा. अगर एक स्टूडेंट समझदारी से 2-3 साल यहाँ रह के अपनी एजुकेशन लेता है, he can very easily build his character as well as his career.
Central Library of Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute is globally recognized for having collection of more than 6,000 rare manuscripts and over 70,000 books on almost every subject.
Everything about it that I learned, I connected with somehow. I don't know how, but so things were. It was different from anything that I'd found before in any other religion in my studies anyway. So I decided to continue with it, and I had a very good teacher as well. So I decided to pursue it further.
अगर देखा जाए यहाँ पे जो मॉडर्न एजुकेशन है और जो ओल्ड एजुकेशन है दोनों मिक्सअप है ताकि हम लोग अपने मोरल्स वैल्यूज़ और सीख सकें.
The most important thing about this institution is that it gives emotional, physical and mental strength to the students so they can fight in future with the problems in their life and get success.
Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute is equipped with state-of-the-art computer laboratory. Advanced study techniques through LCD projectors makes teaching process easier and competent. JVBI campus does have 200 bedded hostel facility separately for boys and girls. All rooms are equipped with modern amenities and facilities. Beyond the academic syllabus, motive of JVBI is also to keep connected its students with their original roots. It is mandatory for every student to practice yoga and meditation during their daily routine.
अभी हमारा इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक थेरेपी के और प्रेक्षा मेडिटेशन को साथ जोड़ के डायबिटीज़ और जो अलग अलग और बीमारियां हैं उनके ऊपर रिसर्च करने का आगे फ्यूचर प्लान है. इसके साथ साथ ही साइकोलॉजी में भी अदर जो फील्ड्स हैं जैसे विभिन्न प्रकार के जो साइकेट्रिक डिसऑर्डर्स हैं उन पे प्रेक्षा मेडिटेशन का क्या इम्पैक्ट आ सकता है, उस पे हम कार्य करने जा रहे हैं।
Acharya Kalu Kanya Mahavidyalaya, a college for girls, is icon of women empowerment. Girls studying here are well exposed to the changing environment while holding their cultural roots very strongly. Beyond bookish knowledge, students are kept connected with pure culture of India. Either it is Mehendi or Rangoli making competition, such events are integral part of curriculum of students. JVBI campus has high-class gymnasium with latest fitness equipments. National Cadet Corps Wing in JVBI has produced many uniform officers in recent past. NCC Wing is headed by a lieutenant and the institute has been granted NCC Wing 3 Raj Girls Battalion. JVBI offers wide range of courses through its various departments like Department of Genealogy and Comparative Religion and Philosophy, Department of Sanskrit and Prakrit, Department of Science of Living, Preksha Meditation and Yoga, Department of Non-Violence and Peace, Department of Social Work, Department of Education, and Department of English. Students can graduate and postgraduate in varied subjects in both mode of study, regular and correspondence.
10वीं कई बार फेल हो चुका हो, 12वीं कई बार फेल हो चुका हो, उसके लिए भी अवसर है उच्च शिक्षा का अध्ययन करने के लिए, उच्च शिक्षा प्राप्त करने के लिए, और वो बीपीपी करके बैचलर्स प्रिपरेटरी प्रोग्राम करके आगे बीए भी कर सकता है, उसके बाद एमए भी कर सकता है, पीएचडी भी कर सकता है, तो उसके लिए रास्ते खुल जाते हैं।
JVBI has also signed MOUs with international elite universities. JVBI has been exchanging students with these universities. During the last 2 decades, JVBI has proved itself an oasis of knowledge, peace and spirituality. JVBI, the complete educational solution.